it's Rue. In this video, I am making a drink request from right here. Thank you for commenting on one of my previous videos. Okay, we are going to make the Tokyo tea today, also known as the Tokyo iced tea. Are you guys ready to make this drink with me? Let's get started. To make this drink, we need to gather these ingredients. Tequila, I have here Teremana Blanco. Vodka, I have here Aviv. Rum, I have here Bacardi. Gin, I have here Bombay Sapphire. Melon Liqueur, I have here Midori. 7-Up, simple syrup, and a lemon. 8 items. It's tool time. Let's go grab ice, a shaker, a highball glass, a jigger, and a knife. Okay, first step is to take your lemon and roll it. Cut in half. Cut a wheel for the garnish. Set the lemons aside. Grab your simple syrup, and what you're gonna do is pour 1 ounce of simple syrup into the shaker. I actually have this special lemon syrup made by my friend Angela. We're actually gonna use this for our drink. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put the ingredients below if you wanna know what is in syrup and how to make it. Grab half of your lemon and squeeze it into the shaker. We'll start off with the tequila. Pour half an ounce of tequila. It's rum time. Pour half an ounce of rum. Take your gin bottle. Pour half an ounce of gin. Get your vodka. Pour half an ounce of vodka into the shaker. And the last alcohol you're going to put in is Midori. Pour half an ounce of Midori. Add ice. Close the lid. Now let's give this drink a nice shake. Grab your glass. Pour ice. Pour your drink into the glass. Now what we're going to do is we're going to add 7-Up into this drink. If you want a free pour, you can top it off to right here. However, what I'm going to do is I am going to show you using a jigger. We are going to pour 2 ounces of 7-Up into the drink. And the last step is to add garnish. And there you go, my friends, the Tokyo tea. Cheers.
If you want to learn how to make more cocktail drinks from home, subscribe and hit the bell button so you don't miss an episode. Comment below if there's a drink you would like to see next.